Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about this particular girl, and this video has been trending for days now, so I decided to talk about it because a whole lot of girls, especially girls of nowadays, they feel so entitled. Like, that kind of entitlement spirit is very bad. It's very bad. Like, because you are a fine girl, you feel that you are entitled to a man's money. I don't get it. You feel that you are, because you feel that you are beautiful, then every time and they should do something to your favor. I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. This is really somehow, because the way she sounded in that voice note shows that she was speaking from a place of anger. My people, I'm going to allow you to listen to what this girl actually said. So now I'll pause while you listen to her.
I went to get food in a restaurant. He approached me. He told me that he liked me. He asked for my name. I told him my name was Ijoma and stuff. So he told me that he wants to get my number, that he wants to be more than friends with me, that he likes me. That was beautiful. So I said, okay, let me share my contact with him. So as of then, he has not gotten food then, and I've not gotten food then. I, like, both of us were making entrance in the restaurant. So after giving him my contact and all that, I ordered for my food, and he ordered for his food. When we finished making the order for the food, then it was not time to pay for the food. The guy was in the same spot with me where I ordered. He was at the same spot with me. This guy never offered. Someone that collected my number, you found me attractive. This guy never offered to pay for my meal. He never offered. Like, he just, immediately it was time to pay for the meal, this guy pretended as if he didn't even know me, like he didn't even collect my number. Like, he just pretended like he doesn't, like, it was the manner for me, to be honest. I'm a big girl. I can sort my bills. Yes, I don't even need him to sort my bills. But I still say courtesy, like politeness. Like, you can actually like make an effort to say, oh babe, can I pay for you? Can I sort your meal? Then allow me to refuse. Obviously, I can sort my meal myself. But it's just a simple courtesy to say you collected my number. Then reaching to pay the bill, you're pretending like you don't know me. This guy paid only for himself and zoomed off. Like, the way this guy, he didn't even say bye. He just zoomed off like that. I didn't say anything about it. I left the whole incident. I didn't say anything. I wasn't really even thinking about the whole thing. I left it. I was like, more this guy there. Now what for this guy? Like, I just said in my mind. Now later in the evening, this guy, saw a message from him in the night. He said, hi, my name is Henry. I met you at the restaurant. That was when that scenario now clocked into my head, like, oh, I need to like open up to this guy.
So guys, now you have listened to this girl's story, I want you to actually tell me what you think about this girl, because I saw some people actually supporting her, that what she did was okay and all that. Even Thatcher, our own Thatcher, said yes, that she did what is right. That why would a guy who collected the girl's number not offer to buy her meal or pay for her bills? That it's normal, it's okay. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I will see your comment in the comment section. Now I'm going to drop what the guy later told the girl. When I think later that day or the next day, the guy dropped a voice note. So I'm going to allow you hear what the guy said.
Did you have the intention of paying for your meal before you came to the restaurant, or did you come to the restaurant empty pocket expecting someone to pay for your meal? I don't understand that. What kind of sick mentality is that? Is that how you guys rule in Nigeria?
I think you're missing the whole point of the voice note I sent you yesterday. And this has nothing to do with you not being in Nigeria or being in Nigeria. It's just normal courtesy. It's just a simple courtesy, to be honest. You met me at the restaurant. You found me attractive. If you didn't find me attractive, you walk up to me to collect my number. Courtesy demand you offer to pay for my meal. Then I say no. Obviously, I wasn't even going to allow you to pay for it. But you didn't even offer. You just paid for your own meal and just zoomed off like that. And you collected my number. You're coming to chat me up now. Like, it's to me, I'm not supposed to be telling you this, bro, but I'm a very blunt person. Like, I don't know how to put words in place. That's why it came out like that. So I'm just trying to say, if you're trying to approach a lady, like, you didn't even like try to impress me, or like, it's not okay. I'm not trying to say you have to impress me first. Like, you didn't even show any way of like, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. It's fine, no problem. Thank you.
So guys, after listening to all these voiceovers, please drop your honest opinion on this matter, because a whole lot of times maybe you get it wrong and we think we are right. Tell me what you think about this whole thing, whether the girl is right or the guy is right. So I wanted to hear from you. I need to hear from you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.